Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Today I will show you how to make this super tasty and simple obbattu, which is famous in South India. Let's begin. Firstly, take a vessel and add 1 cup of water and 4 spoons of oil and add 2 cups of maida. And make a dough using 1 cup of suji semolina. And add water. And add half spoon of turmeric haldi. And add 2 spoons of oil. And make a dough. After that, keep it aside for 4 hours rest. And after that, take half kg of jaggery. And take 6 to 7 cardamom. And 1 cup of coconut. And take 1 inch ginger. Take half kg arhar or tur dal. And add 1 cup of coconut. Add half kg jaggery and add ginger 1 inch. And add 6 to 7 cardamom into it. And add half liter of water and mix it well. And boil it like this. And mix well and boil it. After boiling, you can see this and it should be soft. Like this. After that, to take a mixer and grind it. After grinding, it looks like this. After 4 hours, take the dough and mix it well. And take a small portion from the dough, like this. Add filling from what you have grind in mixer. And fill the fillings like this. And make plain this like rotis. And heat the pan and add little oil. From now you have to make this like parathas. Make sure that after flipping this, add oil and flip. It will changes its color to golden brown. By following these steps, make all the obbattu like this golden brown color. See how it is looking very good and very yummy. I have used original cow ghee, and you can see how soft and beautiful. Thanks for watching.